Listen, hear the squirrel up in the upper story above our Indian camp. Little rustling noises. The little squirrel had been out in the rain on the scaffolding from the roof project, sitting out in a somewhat sheltered place, but still wet with the rain, gathering freshly fallen seeds from the red maple trees that had accumulated on the roof, washed down off the roof onto the scaffolding. Such a hard life for the little squirrel. Gives me a bit of a sad feeling to think how hard his life is now, and then the increasing hardness of worsening climate, the increasing hardness of all the industrial pollution that's going out into his world, even the hardness of our own roofing project, putting the asphalt from the shingles into his little heap of maple seeds on the roof scaffolding. Scrambling around up there, up above our heads. Oh, hearts and minds of humankind, be eco-friendly.